Thank you so much po. Not forget, guys.
Let's eat, guys.
Promise. Alay po, wow.
Look, guys, this is such a good read. Hi guys, we're here at Naiya na. So, let's go. What's next? Mag-book ng Grab. Papunta ng Airbnb namin. Let's go. Hi guys, update. Nakapag-check-in na kami. Bababa na kami kasi gutom na ako. Okay, baba lang kami guys. Hanap lang kami ng mga kainan. Dito kami kakain guys. Bahala na. Let's go. Ordered tong fried chicken meal and then yang chicken meal kay Jowa. Here's our order na guys. So I ordered yan fried chicken meal. 잘 먹겠습니다. Ito yung yang. Hi guys, so walang pahinga-pahinga. After lunch, nag-buy lang kami ng essentials sa Alpha Mart and then hindi ko na na-vlog kasi bawal mag-video sa loob. So now, alis tayo to meet one of my closest friends, my anak, she. So we'll be meeting her right now with her husband. Hinahingal ako kasi 6:21 PM na. We're walking na guys, puntang Marugame, Udon. Doon nagwe-wait yung friend ko with her husband. It's already 7:20. Sorry po, sobrang traffic. Music pa prank kanip, mga ginakanta.
Nag-video na naman.
Hello! Hello!
Hi, I'm Cam. So, it's me.
Cams, jowa, jowa Cams, jowa husband. Jowa husband. Hi guys, I'm done meeting Cams and her husband. So now, hindi ko pala na-vlog kasi na-busy na kami mag-chika-chika and everything. And now we're just going around BGC. Hi guys, we're here at Airbnb na. So, mag-dinner lang kami. It's already 10:13, kararating lang namin. And nag-take out na lang kami from orange bucket, so rice, tapos yung shrimp nila in Cajun sauce, tapos Coke. So, let's eat.
No.
Hello guys, I'm done doing my makeup and ito yung pre-concert fit natin. Fit check tayo guys. My top is one I got this from Instagram. So EXO shirt siya. I paired it with this skirt from TikTok and shoes from TikTok. Today guys, ang gagawin lang natin for this morning, maglilibot tayo sa fan zones, kuha tayo ng mga freebies, and kukunin natin yung kit for royalty seated, and then later this afternoon, sound check, and concert proper na ng EXO Horizon in Manila. Let's go! I'll get back to you later. Hello guys, kalis pa rin namin from Airbnb. 9:51 AM na. So, punta kami ngayon sa booth where pwede ko makuha yung kit ko as royalty seated. So, ito yung fit natin. Ito na lang muna kasi ang init sa labas. I'm with my boyfriend. Very supportive. Let's go. I'll get back to you later. Hello guys, already got my kit for royalty seated. Ito na. Punta kami ng IKEA Bistro para kumuha ng freebies para sa mga Yolmays or fans ni Chanyo. Supportive. Napaka-supportive talaga. Uy! Hi guys, andito na kami sa Swedish Bistro. Pero na-move daw to 11 AM yung pag-claim ng freebies from PCY Philippines and Evermena. Order na lang kami ng food. Snack time guys. I got chicken hot dog, kay BBS, Toron, and we got toya. Let's move on. We're done with our lunch guys. Papalik na kami ng Airbnb namin. Biglang umulan. Nag-lunch lang kami sa KFC. Tapos ngayon, I'll be changing my fit na for the concert. Here's my complete concert fit, guys. our day 3 here in Manila. Get dressed with me for our gala today. For my top, I'll be wearing this top that I got from TikTok shop. And then I'll pair it with this skirt that I got from TikTok shop as well. Ayan yung drama natin for today. Demure lang. This shoes, I got this from TikTok. The jewelries, I got from my mother. And then for my perfume, I'll be wearing this Victoria's Secret Bombshell. This is the fit, guys, for today. Hi guys! Kalis pa lang namin from our Airbnb. Time check, 1:56 PM na. Paalis pa lang kami for lunch. Very late lunch. On the way na, guys. Hello guys, we're walking na papuntang Yakinikulay. Sinong gutom? Sinong gutom? Sobrang sana hindi mahaba yung line, guys. Gutom na kami. Time check, 2:12 PM. Hi guys, so yung Yakinikulay fantasy natin hindi kaya for today kasi haba ng pila since today is Sunday. And grabe, ang tagal namin naglibot muna sa mall para makahanap ng food. And eto, napunta kami sa Bangkwan Garden. And ano siya, Korean barbecue restaurant. Kinuha namin is yung meal for two, 139 siya. After few seconds lang, eto na-serve na sa akin. Rice, very Korean, then sauce, cheese, and then side dishes. May kasama to na doenjang soup, guys. Our first two kinds of meat, guys. Guys, we're done eating. That was such a good redirection for us. Actually, it feels like redirection kasi nga, diba, gusto namin mag-Yakinikulay and then naglibot pa kami to look for good food. Tapos wala kaming alam kung mga ano ba yung reviews doon. We just, took a risk kasi gutom na kami. So, I don't know ha, pero ngayon siguro yung pinakamarami kong nakain in a Korean barbecue restaurant. Maybe because yung breakfast namin kanina bread lang. Tapos late, very late na kami nakapag-lunch. So grabe yung gutom namin ni Baby. But anyway, that was such good food, good food. I so love it. How about you? Diba? Even
10/10.
100/10. Since busog na kami, we can go around kung ano mang gusto namin gawin. But for now, ako, I need to buy something sa Watsons. Ito guys yung kinuha ko. The Peptide Bond Repair Damage Expert. So, nakita ko to kay Van. So, the goods, guys. Okay, so where are we going? Now we're looking for a good spot to take some pictures. Guys, yung ginamit. Ang cute. So, dito kami mag-picture. Kaya namin ang picture dito yung maganda. Hi guys, we're now back here in our Airbnb and today's our day 3 na, diba? Pero ngayon lang ako makapag-room tour kasi nga masyado kaming na-busy nung first day namin dito. Upon arrival, ang dami na namin ginawa, hindi na kinaya ng energy and time namin. And then yesterday, na-busy sa concert. So, today lang tayo makapag-room tour, so let's go! By the way guys, smart door lock yung type ng door niya. And then pagpasok, yung unang makikita is the comfort room. And then, dito naman is yung kitchen natin. Electric stove, tapos may range hood. And then, sa loob nito are utensils, rice cooker, frying pan na pwedeng gamitin ng cooking. So, bili lang kami ng oil sa Alpha Mart. Naman, ayan. So, meron dito mirror. Hi guys! We have the shower here. Meron siyang door. Meron silang bidet. Then, meron dito ang refrigerator, tapos merong mga complimentary biscuits, tapos coffee, wala na. Then, may tissue, and then electric kettle, and then microwave oven. And yes, it's working guys. Ginamit na namin yan sila. And then here, this is our pinaka-sala, and then our dining room. So, dito kami kumakain, tapos nanood lang ng TV. So, ayan, ito mga pinamili namin yan na from Alpha Mart. Ito. And then here, meron tayong intercom. Of course, may free wifi. Ito yung sofa namin. So, dyan kami. After eating here, dito kami tumatambay para manood ng movie. And then may cute na sofa dito. Then may light dyan sa corner na yan. Then here, sliding door siya papunta ng bedroom. Ito yung bedroom namin, guys. Ang ganda! Worth it! Mamaya i-reveal ko kung how much ko nabook tong condo type na room. So, ito, meron tayo ditong walk-in closet na meron ng mirror. Diyan ako nag-fit check. Tapos dito, may vanity mirror dito. Dito ako nag-aayos. Yan mga gamit ko na yan. Akin din to. Sa loob nito, may 2 towels since 2 kami na nagstay dito sa room. Meron ding blower and steamer for clothes. Ayan. And then, ito yung pinaka-bed namin. Aircon. And then, ito yung balcony. Ito yung view namin, guys. From here.
Your idea.
I know, I didn't.
We'll do this another time.
Alright, well, just for the record, I want.
Hi guys, we're here at our gate na. Time check, it's actually still early. It's 9:19 a.m. And we're just waiting for our boarding time. Nag-early na lang kami para makaiwas sa traffic. And nakabili na ako ng pasalubong. Bili ako ng Krispy Kreme for my family. Jayco sana yun, kasi ano pala sa Terminal 3. After our flight, pagka-uwi ko, prepare naman ako for work kasi papasok na lang ako today since 3 p.m. pa naman yung next class ko. And I think I'll just end the vlog here. Thank you for watching, guys. I'll see you in my next one.